What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to yet another video. So I've got some exciting news in this one. So I've been looking on YouTube and there's not many videos of people installing their rear lip. Actually, there's none. So there's spoilers, no install. But I got one for you guys today. And I know I said Ali's going to take his time sending them to me, but I've got my part now. Come have a look at this, guys. Check this out. What do we have here? So I have opened it and I have had a look at it just to make sure. So I do apologise, but look at this. Alright, so I'm not going to take it fully out, guys, because I've got to go send it to TP to get it all. I think he's going to put some stuff over it. Tommy's going to put some ointment over it or stuff. Look at the cats. Everyone wants to get involved now. They love this, they can't wait. So yeah, it is absolutely insane. It's come in good condition. The box is amazing, fully packaged. It's really good. But yeah, the quality just looks absolutely mint. So I'm pretty stoked about this, guys. I don't know how that's gonna work, but you know, I'll see how it goes putting it on, installing this. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be absolutely epic. So without wasting some time, let's head down to TP and get this installed. Let's get it. Hey guys, so I've just arrived at Tommy's place now, and we're doing the spoiler, but I didn't know that we had to clear this. So there's a clear coat on here originally from factory, and Tommy has said that we've got to sand it down and then put his own clear coat over it for protection reasons. So this now, as you can see, as I've never done this before, Tommy's doing half of it, so he can show me for advice, so I know what I'm doing. But he's put an 800 grit on this, so that's what it looks like. Looks like he's ruining it. I'm crying inside, but he says it's going to look good. And then once I've done all of that, then we can put the coat over it. I have to leave it for I think a day or so for it to like settle, and then I will come back the following weekend and we'll get it installed. And then I've got to leave the car for a couple of hours, obviously, so I'll leave it here for probably a week or so, just because I won't pick up the car for the week because I don't use it. And then this will all settle, and it'll be nice and fast in the car and set, and then we can go around and I can do a little panoramic and show you guys what this will look like when it's finished. So let's get going. That's it, guys, look at that. You'd think I've ruined it. So now that's done, I guess Tommy will tell me to put coat over it, but we'll see now. But I think that's finished. So got some sandpaper now, guys. I'm gonna go over that all over, and yeah, let's see what it looks like going. So what are we doing now?
Just panel wiping it. So any greases while you're working on it with your hands, you're just taking all that off.
Okay.
So you have two different types of degrease. So this is solvent base one. You have a solvent base and water base.
Right.
So, and this, when you're cleaning it, you can actually give it a final inspection to make sure you've everything got. going to put this tiger seal onto the spoiler, and then what we're going to do, we're going to set you up on the time lapse of both of us getting this fitted on.
Perfect. Cool. Let's do it.
Easier if I do it self.
Push it, Tommy, push it all the way. That in? Yeah.
Now you've got to leave it parked up for 24 hours.
So I'm not going to drive it anymore. It'll sit now.
Alright, I'll let you do the pulling the ribbon
Are
off.
you happy with it?
Yeah. So what we'll do, once you take off the ribbon, I'll put some tape on it. Do you want to take the red ribbon off?
Yeah. Is that down to me?
Yeah, you have 24 hours, Mike. Away. Yeah, pull away from me.
So the split is finished, well not the split, the spoiler, my bad. The spoiler is finished now in the car. It looks incredible. Big shout out to TP Smart Repair and Tommy for giving me such a brilliant advice and guidance. He's over there now working on his bike, as you can see. So yeah, this is done now, but just tell me what you think. I think it looks amazing. I've got to leave it for a few hours before I can even drive the car, but yeah, it's just, I'm so excited. So look at this. It just looks better, like all angles of the car. It's just, yeah, that finishes it. So much better. Yeah. Anyways, I've got a Mini Cooper at the back that they're doing, and we want to film that, so I'm going to put that in there and just show you what these guys do. So they're going to put some splitters in the front, and I think they got side skirts, I'm not too sure, but we're going to go over there now and have a look. So yeah, let's go.
No, but it does hold it properly then, doesn't it?
That looks nice, huh? Good job.
So you have to cut them off and...
That is a nice looking Mini Cooper. New discs and pads. Brembo. Anyways guys, I'm going to leave the video at that. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, like, I'm just so happy with this. I'll leave a link in the description below for where you can get this. Sorry, dickhead. Anyway, I'll leave a description down below, well, a link, so you can get this, the exact same wing. And yeah man, just look at this. It's just looking sick, man. I didn't want to go too big, and that is just like, it's just complemented everything. I mean, the carbon badge, the carbon number plate, the Miltec exhaust, it just looks fresh. Oh, that is so good. Anyways guys, take care. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Got so much more to come for this car. I'm not going to say what's going to be next. It's just going to be a spontaneous video, like always. So anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I appreciate all your support and love. Take care guys. Cheers.